Now guys, first things first, I'm just gonna attach my whisk to my mixer. And for my ingredients, so guys, what you want to do is you want to separate your dry ingredients from the liquid. We have our liquid here and we have our dry here. So for my dry ingredients, I have 3 cups of flour, 3 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And that's my dry ingredients. Now guys, for my wet ingredients, I have 4 large eggs right here, 1.5 cups of buttermilk. It's actually milk, but I'll be making buttermilk in a while, in a minute. 1.5 cups of warm water right here, and this is just gonna activate the cocoa powder. And we also have 1/2 cup of canola oil. Now guys, for my buttermilk, you can add any acid you have. It could be lemon juice or vinegar. Now I'm gonna add vinegar to that. You can use about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now guys, this is not the buttermilk that you'll see in your supermarket. This is just an amazing substitute. As I said, you can use any acid at all, lemon juice or vinegar. I'm going with the vinegar because that's what I have on hand, and I'm just gonna let it sit for about 3 minutes just so it can curdle. It's supposed to sit for about 30 minutes or so, but I don't have time for that, so I just add more vinegar. Not a lot, just maybe 1/2 tablespoon more. I'm gonna add my liquid while this is on the lowest speed. And remember guys, you don't want to overmix your cake, because if you overmix it, the gluten in the flour can form elastic gluten strands, which will result in a more dense and chewy cake. And there's always a lot of holes in my cakes, especially the first time that I'm baking. There's always so many holes in it. I'm always wondering why my cake looks so holy, and I realize that it's just due to a lot of overmixing. Now you're gonna make sure that you wipe the side of your mixer, making sure that there's no lumps or clumps. So you just want everything to incorporate. And guys, that's it for your cake. And I'm just pouring that batter in a prepared baking pan. Now guys, I'm just tapping the pan on the counter a few times just to get rid of air bubbles. Guys, now that the cake is out of the oven, I'm just gonna let that cool on a rack. You're just gonna put it on a cooling rack. You're just gonna flip it like that, and voila. Wow. Look how bouncy that is. See how it sprung back? Perfect. Now guys, to ice in my cake, I'm just using good old Nutella. I just want something a bit simple that I know tastes amazing. Something pretty simple that I know everybody can do. Like everybody watching this video, I know you guys can do this. And Nutella is yummy. It's amazing. You don't have to do anything to it. You just take it from the container and just pour it on the cake, and that's it. And you guys seen me using a cake lifter. That is because I haven't gotten my spatulas as yet, but I'll be receiving them this week. Now guys, I'm just leveling off all that Nutella, just making sure that it looks neat, you know, and all that goodness. And yeah, and also I'll be cutting the edges from the cake, just making sure that, you know, it's a bit more presentable. Now guys, we've come to the end of yet another amazing video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a family over here, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Mwah.